Welcome to Silver Bar Stacker, folks. I hope everybody's doing well and is enjoying the start of their weekend. Well, we've got a big unboxing for us today, a package that I've been eagerly awaiting for, almost 20 days now, and it's been making its way towards me at a snail's pace, but I'm happy to say that we've got a massive, roughly $10,000 vintage and fractional unboxing for us to get into today, and I'm very excited to do this, so let's get right into it. Very nicely packed. Wow, look at all this. Look at all these goodies. I don't even know where to start. Well, let's start with this. Check this out. We've got a nice little capsule of technical specifications 585 gold, and it looks like we've got some half-gram rounds of 585 gold. Now 585 gold is 14 karat gold, 2016 issued, proof quality. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got in here. The world's smallest gold coins, number 651, American Mint. Check this out. Wow, check these out. Little half-gram 14 karat gold rounds. It's got a little kangaroo on there or something. It's so hard to see. It's a little kangaroo, I think, or something. Deer, antelope, possibly an antelope. So I'm not sure what it is that I'm looking at here, but it's a nice proof-like 14 karat gold half-gram round. So I'm really excited, honestly, to get these into the stack packs. And wow, look at this one. This one's got a little Egyptian King Tut type thing going on. So these are all different fronts. So cool. I'm gonna have to take a closer look at these, maybe get them up on the website, or maybe we'll have a nice inclusion in one of the Fractional Friday drops. So that's kind of what I had purchased these for, to include in Fractional Friday drops. So very, very excited about that, and let's set these aside for now. Some nice proof-like 585 gold half-gram rounds. Super cool. Let's take a look and see what else we got here. And these are actually some Engelhards. Wow, a whole freaking tube of Engelhards. And this is, well, we were just looking at these landscape varieties yesterday, and so this right here has the elongated octagon reverse here on this horizontal shaped bar. What else we got here? We got some more horizontal shaped bars with that elongated octagon. What else we got here? Oh, and here's an EMC logo. It's an EMC logo. This is a portrait style bar. It's also got that elongated octagon reverse. So this is just a nice mixed bag of Engelhard 1 ounce bars. Another EMC logo. This next one was another horizontal shaped one. So horizontal and that kind of reverse. So wow, a huge tube. I'm gonna have to actually take a look at the specifics of these, but this is a big tube of Engelhard rounds. So these are gonna be great for stack pack Sundays. Great. We've already done an Engelhard bar drop, so congratulations to those who have grabbed a drop. Now you'll see Engelhard bars, since we've already done the product drop for Engelhard bars, you'll start to see those come in randomly, make random appearances in the weekly drops, just like you will these A-Mark chunkers. So right here we got a massive bag of A-Mark chunkers. Now this is something that sells like hotcakes on our website. We're constantly selling these every single week, and so now that we have another fresh supply of A-Mark chunkers, I'm very excited to say that we're going to be able to get some nice price reductions on the A-Mark chunkers. And you'll see in here that I've actually got some of the flat A-Marks as well. So I'm going to be able to get improve the pricing on my flat A-Marks. I know there's a few of you who have been stacking those flat, more common A-Mark bars as opposed to the chunkers, and so I'm going to be able to get the pricing improved on both of these products. So I'm very excited about that fact. Set that aside right there. We'll have to take a deeper look at these because these all kind of have different reverses and stuff like that, so we're going to have to sort through those and figure out what exactly we've got. A lot of stuff to get through. Look and to see what's inside this. Oh, this is another tube of Engelhards. Again, those will vary in reverses, and so we'll get these featured in stack packs moving forward. We've got another one here. Now this one, I'm not sure what this is, but let's take a look. This could be just another tube of Engelhards. Yeah, it's just another tube of Engelhards. Pretty cool. What else we got in here? Swiss of America. Now this is something I've been wanting to collect for quite a while. These right here are some 5-ounce chunkers. A 5-ounce chunky round by Swiss of America. And I got a nice tube of these actually. So I'm really excited to pick these up because these are something I've been eyeing down for quite a while. So I'm really excited to add some of these to the stack. Really cool rounds, these ones. And these have a lot of character. You really don't see any sort of a 5-ounce chunky round like this. They're a very unique piece. What do we got in here? You know what, I'm gonna just take everything out of the box. And I think that might be easier. Some more chunky rounds here. Wow, I love these rounds. I love these chunkers. That's very cool. And we've also got some 1-ounce chunkers. Check these out. It's the same Swiss of America rounds. These are some 1-ounce chunkers. I'm a big fan of these rounds. These are almost as satisfying to hold as the A-Mark chunky stackers. Wow. Super excited about that. What are these? Some 10th-ounce rounds. These are freaking cool. Scarsdale coin. Wow. These are super cool. These will be great for stack packs. Awesome. What else we got here? What's this? Whoa, no way. Those are some onzas. Holy cow, we got a nice tube of Mexican onzas. These are 10th ounce Libertads. Wow, I got a whole tube of them. This is gonna be a really great inclusion for Fractional Fridays. Wow, how cool is that? 10th ounce freaking Libertads. Can you believe it? That's a nice fractional pickup right there. Oh, what else we got in here? A few more chunky rounds. Well, what else we got? What's in here? What's in here? More Mexican onzas, but these are 1/4 ounce. 1/4 ounce Libertads. These come at a hefty premium, so these are going to be really nice additions to the Fractional Friday stack packs. A whole tube. And what date are these? I didn't even check to see. What date are these? These are 1994 Libertads. 1994 1/4 ounce Libertads. These have been sitting for a minute. And let's see if these are 1994s as well. The 10 pounds. 1994. All right, 94 Libertads. Pretty cool. I know those fractionals sell at quite a premium. I'm not sure about the 94 fractionals, but we're gonna have to do some research on that. In fact, I might even just do that. 1994 Mexican Libertad, 1/4 ounce round. Oh, we got one on Fleabay. There's 2 available, 18 sold. They're up for $36. Dang. 18 sold and 2 available. And then plus $4.50 shipping. Okay, so it's basically $40 for a quarter ounce Mexican Libertad. That's going to be a great addition for Fractional Fridays, because Fractional Fridays are usually only going to be like $20. So that's going to be a sweet win for somebody. That's for sure. So that's pretty cool. Now what's in the smaller, fatter tube? Oh, we got some more of these chunky rounds. These are the 1 ounce variety of the Swiss America rounds. whereas these are the 5-ounce variety of the rounds. So these are some rounds that have a lot of character. I've been eyeing them down for quite a while, and I was super excited to be able to get a nice bulk order of them, so that we can now have them available on the website at a decent price. So really excited about this pickup. I'm super excited about that, and we actually have some more goodies here. So these is just a mixed bag here, and so let's take a look and see what we got. I found another straggler. Let's go ahead and see what we got in here. So this is a nice selection here of just loose goodies. So let's take a look and see what we got in the loose goodie section. Check this out. Some 45 caliber, 1 troy ounce silver bullets. How cool is that? Here, we got 2 packs. Now that's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to put these in a SBS drop. I'm actually gonna do one thing. You know, I actually recently unboxed these skulls, and I just had an idea. I think what I'm gonna do for this next SBS drop, I'm gonna put these 45 caliber 1 ounce bullets inside a stack pack, and then I'm gonna put some of these hand poured skull rounds inside the stack packs with them. And so what that's gonna be is that's gonna be a bullets and bones stack pack. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So if you're interested in a bullets and bones stack pack, that's what's gonna be available for this week. And in fact, they're on the website right now. Boom. Grab them. And then in the meantime, we'll go ahead and check out the rest of the stuff in this bag. Random capsulized Engelhard? Okay. Another 1/4 ounce Libertad. What is this? US gold credit. Holy cow. This is freaking sweet. Gold assay certificate. This certificate guarantees that the purity of this US gold credit ingot is assayed 583.3 fine gold. Okay, so this is a 1 gram 583.3 gold bar. That's about 14 karat gold. Interesting. It's a little 14 karat gold pendant, and it comes in this little really cool leather case. Wow, this is freaking awesome. I really like this. That's a really cool thing. Let's see what else we got here. This is a nice little chunky round. Swiss of America, but it's kind of like a flat chunky round. Very interesting. Check out the difference here. They're both got that girth to them. Is this a 1 ounce round? Oh, this is a 2 ounce round. Swiss of America 2 ounce round, Swiss of America 1 ounce round, and Swiss of America 5 ounce rounds. Very cool. So now we can have like a nice Swiss of America drop as well. It looks like we got enough inventory of Swiss of America rounds, and here's the flat variety of the Swiss of America rounds. So you see how thin that is? You see, you got one that's this is a 1 ounce, and this is a 2 ounce. What else we got in here, right? So we've got some more Swiss of America rounds. We got another Libertad here. We got some more Engelhard bars. And so you'll see here, we've got actually a nice variety. Here's a frosted back, and here's just an elongated octagon. So a lot of these are gonna have that elongated octagon on the back because there's a few bar types that actually have that reverse. And so that's, you know, a little bit more common, I guess you could say. Another chunky Swiss of America round and another flat Swiss of America round. Always happy to add those. This is like another Libertad, another 1/4 ounce Libertad. And you know me, I like to always pick up my fracs. So these are always going to be good for, you know, just one of the more common stack pack Friday, Fractional Friday stack pack inclusions, right? Some of these stack packs for Fractional Friday are going to include crazy things like a 1/4 ounce Libertad. Others might just have, you know, a 10th ounce round, a Scarsdale 10th ounce round, some Volgambi fractional bars, right? Because that fractional drop is for the fractional preppers, right? And so sometimes you might get something a little bit more collectible. Other times you might get something a little bit more generic. But regardless, you're going to get a pretty solid deal on some fractional silver, no matter what you end up with. You know, you got plenty of Libertads to go around. And heck, we even got some cool bars like this. Check this out. We've got just a nice stack of 5 gram Monarch Precious Metals bars. So these are just something that, you know, toss them inside the stack pack and call it a day. You know, you got a $20 drop, boom. At the very least, you might be able to secure a little 5 gram bar or maybe some other goodies. So I'm really, really excited to pick up all of these amazing pieces. Cheers.